So just got some new hub bearings for the Trailblazer. Went with the heavy duty Mevotech Titan XS. Let's see what they got inside. Where's the top? Somewhere around here. There they go. It gave new axle nuts. Pretty good. Turn the light on here. There we go. Hopefully they're 36, not 35, because I use a 36 mil. Three brand new bolts with Loctite on them. Big plastic cover of some form. Ooh, these are heavy. Ooh, they're black and blue. Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. Okay, I have to pause this for a second. Unwrapped. Easier with two hands. Ooh, fancy. Good. Probably paint won't last too long when I'm wheeling it in a lot of water. It's even got both the whole assembly, not just the bearings, because it's cheaper to get it with the ABS sensors already on than getting it without, because the ABS sensors are usually more than the bearing itself, at least where I'm at. And it was all from Rock Auto. Wasn't too bad for price either. Now I got to put them in this weekend because I got one that's really bad and really loud.